Yo, what's good? This is your boy Fabian. Just checking in with you guys, man. I got a Walmart update I want to share. Uh, I did a post last month, the end of the month rather, on Walmart earnings and some things that I was looking at and where the stock could potentially go for the month of March. I still think those things hold true. So this past week, we had a different sentiment, but now today, it looks like those sentiments are coming back. So I just want to share and reiterate those things for you right now. So before I go any further, man, make sure we like, subscribe, and share this out to anybody that's following that Walmart journey. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into the Walmart charts. So right now, today is February the 3rd. It's Tuesday, and I'm looking at pre-market right now. So if you're looking at my chart right now, this is Walmart on the daily. This candle right here is Monday's close, which is what I like to call a Gravestone Doji. That candle right there alone just tells me that the next day is supposed to be a downside. Typically, this candle here is at the top of an uptrend, which signifies a reversal. So I wasn't quite sure, being that the candle is so small, but now if you look at this candle here, this is pre-market. Once again, pre-market doesn't hold too much weight, but idea of the direction the stock is going to go for the day. So we'll see. Once again, when the market does open up for Tuesday morning, we'll see if our sellers actually step in and continue to bring this thing down further. But right now, just being Monday, the way Monday closed on the daily candle, that Gravestone Doji right there was sellers stepped in and brought the price down. Some other things I was looking at here. Right now, you're just looking at the candle. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my levels, all my moving averages. All right, so right now I got all my moving averages turned on here. This purple line here is my 5-day. It typically rides the candle to the upside or to the downside very tight. It rides the candle. My yellow line, my green line is the 10 MA. My yellow line is the 20. That's what I'm watching closely right now, the 20 MA. My light blue here is the 50, the dark blue is the 100, and the red is the 200. So zooming in right now, another thing I noticed yesterday that the daily candle closed right below the 20 MA. 20 MA normally signifies a reversal also. So the day before that, we had closed candles below the 20 MA. But the next day it did reverse and made its way back up above the 20 and closed. Then we come in this week here, starting Monday, it opened above the 20, but then we end up closing below the 20. And now we're here, Tuesday, February 3rd. So this is what I'm looking at right now. Right now we are opening below the 20, which could signify a reversal. Another thing I'm looking at also is break of structure. Let's point that out here real quick. All right, I got my swing lows identified, which is these pink lines here, my swing low break of structures. As you can see, candle closed on Monday above break of structure, but now we're opening below break of structure. Once again, this is just opening below break of structure. We could end the day on Tuesday back above break of structure, but right now we're opening below break of structure, and we're also opening below the 20 MA. So I see price going down a little further to this next structure here, which is around 124.22. 124.22, 125. If we can hold that, we probably can get a bounce here and make our way back up. And keep in mind, this is all daily activity. This is roughly $1. So if price closes, if price continues down on Tuesday, once the market opens and breaks this structure, we could end up coming to this next structure here. I want to see a bounce here and make its way back up. Or we could come down here and trade sideways, or we could end up breaking this structure, and then I see this next structure down here around 120, which is close to our 50-day moving average. So that's a possibility. When it comes to these moving averages, man, they're like magnets. So if we break, we're already breaking the 20 now. The next moving average is the 50 on my board, but we still have these two break of structure levels to go through. So they are concerns. Like I said, right here, this break of structure here, looking at, like I said, 124, 130, 124.50, somewhere in that area. If we can hold there, that's a possibility. If we can't hold, we break through that. Then we come into our next structure point. Like I said, looking at 120.50 to 121, this area right here. And if we don't hold there, then it's really the MA. So between this swing low here and this 50-day moving average, that's where I see price coming down at. That's where I would like to get in at for a call, provided we have some support there. Once again, this is the month of March, and I was looking for a reversal for the month of March. Let's go to the monthly candle real quick, the monthly time frame. So initially, this candle here, I was looking for it to be a little tighter. Once again, it is at the top of an uptrend, which would have gave me a large Gravestone Doji candle. But towards the end of the month, it made its way back up, so it could go either way. But yeah, just looking at some correction here. So that's why I say the month of March, we'll probably get some downside here. If nothing else, coming back to the evenness of this monthly candle, which looks like, yep, right around 119, 120, which is confluent with my 5-day MA. Right now, the monthly is well above the 5-day, but if it wanted to come down and touch that, that's a possibility for the month. So on the monthly candle time frame, it needs some pullback in order to go higher. So that's why I'm looking at 119, 120 overall based on the larger time frames, and then we push higher. Keep in mind, analysts have a buy rating, will have a target price of 130 for Walmart after earnings. So we've already hit that. The all-time high right now is 135. So between 120 and 130, you can catch some nice, decent swings. If you get in at a great entry, like I said, I think a great entry is 119, 120. To make that swing play all the way up to 130, and just watch price action there. Remember, the all-time high right now is 135. So just have your exit strategy around 130. That would be, like I said, some nice profit gains if you're able to get in at 120. But ultimately, that's where I'm looking at price to go right now, just based off the monthly. Going to the weekly real quick, just looking at those structure points. So on the weekly, we are rejecting our 5-day, and the next level to hit is the 10. But keep in mind, we still got to go through these levels of structure. So right now on the weekly, we are sitting right at structure, that first structure. So on the weekly, I see price coming down to 122, which is the 10 MA. Hold there. If we can't hold there, then boom, we're breaking through this structure here, which goes back to our daily 120, 121. So based off the monthly candle, the weekly candles, and the daily candle, 121 to 120 is a nice pullback entry. But we can go as low as 119 if you're looking at the moving averages on the monthly candle. So that's just what I'm looking at right now, with the candles opening today, pre-market, below the 20 MA and right at structure. So if you're looking to run a Walmart play, man, comment below, man. Tell me what play you're trying to run. Are you trying to run a put? Are you trying to run a call? Inquiry minds want to know, man. Like I said, I'm looking for a pullback down to 120, 121 before I get in for a long call with a target of 130. Let me know your strikes and expirations. This is what I have for Walmart right now. Pre-market price is currently at 126.33. I think it can break structure today and make its way down to 124. Let's see if it holds support there. If we can't hold support at 124.30, I see it coming down to 121. All right, man, just wanted to tap in with you guys, man, for that Walmart update. For anybody who likes to track Walmart, anybody who likes to play Walmart. I love to play Walmart to the upside and to the downside. I have no problem with it. Once again, man, like, subscribe, share this out to anybody that's looking for that Walmart journey. And make sure you make some money for the month of March, man. Salute.